How to upload digital products on Gumroad. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to upload digital products on Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform that allows you to sell your digital products online, such as ebooks, courses, software, and more. In this video, we will show you how to create an account and upload digital products. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Gumroad, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Start Selling button located at the top right of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the registration page. On the registration page, you'll be presented with different options to create your new Gumroad account. You can choose to sign up using your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Stripe account. Alternatively, you can opt to sign up with your email address. Simply select the preferred option that suits you and follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once you have successfully signed up for a new account, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your Gumroad account. Now, let's see how to upload digital products on Gumroad. To upload a digital product on Gumroad, follow these steps. First, navigate to the left panel of the Gumroad website and click on the Products tab. This will take you to the Products page. On this page, you'll find a button labeled New Product either at the bottom center or at the top right. Click on this button. By clicking on New Product, you will be directed to another page where you can choose the type of product you want to publish. Gumroad offers various options such as digital products, courses or tutorials, ebooks, newsletters, memberships, podcasts, audiobooks, and physical goods. Since we're aiming to upload a digital product, select Digital Product from the available options. Next, enter the name of your product in the Name field and specify the price in the Price field. Gumroad's default currency is US dollars, but you can easily change it to any other currency if needed. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on the Next Customize button located at the top right corner of the page. Upon clicking the Next Customize button, you will be directed to the product page you have just created. This page allows you to provide detailed information about your product. Here you can add a product description, upload images or cover art, and include any additional files or resources that accompany the digital product. First, enter the name of your product in the Name field, but we covered this in the previous step. We already have entered the name of our product. Moving forward, provide detailed information about your product in the Description field. This is where you can highlight its features, benefits, and any other relevant information. You can use formatting tools such as bold, italics, underline, bullet points, and more to customize the appearance of your description. Next, it's time to set up the URL for your product. By default, Gumroad generates a URL for your product, but you can further customize it by adding a few words at the end to make it more personalized and reflective of your product. This can help with branding and search engine optimization. Now, let's focus on uploading the cover image or video for your product. To do this, click on the Upload Images or Videos option. Once you click on this option, you will be presented with three choices: uploading from your computer, using an external link, or uploading from Unsplash. Choose the most convenient method for you and proceed with uploading the visually appealing cover that represents your digital product effectively. Additionally, you'll want to upload a thumbnail for your digital product. Click on the Upload Files button to accomplish this. Similar to the cover image video upload, you have two options: uploading the thumbnail from your computer or selecting an image from Unsplash. Choose the option that suits you best and complete the thumbnail upload process. After uploading the thumbnail, proceed to the Product Info section. Within this section, the first task is to choose a call to action from the drop-down menu. This is the prompt that will appear on your product page, urging customers to take action such as "I want this," "buy this," or "pay." Select the most appropriate call to action for your product. Following the selection of the call to action, enter a concise summary of your product in the designated Summary section. The summary should provide a clear and compelling overview of your product, enticing potential customers to learn more. Additionally, you can use the Details section to highlight important features of your product that can help customers make informed purchasing decisions. To add additional details, click on the +Add Detail button and enter the relevant attribute and its corresponding value. You can add as many attributes and values as necessary to effectively showcase your product. Moving on, let's proceed to the Integrations section. Here, you have the option to enable or disable various integrations by toggling the corresponding buttons. For instance, if you want to invite customers to join a circle community associated with your product, simply toggle the button next to that option. When customers purchase your product, they will be automatically invited to your circle community. Similarly, if you want to invite customers to a Discord server, toggle the button to activate this integration. Next, navigate to the pricing section. Here you can establish the price for your product. If you have already set the price in the previous steps, you can still make changes or updates as needed. Once you have entered the price, you have the option to allow customers to pay what they want. If you wish to offer this flexibility, click on the toggle button next to the Allow Customers to Pay What They Want option. This can be a useful strategy for certain products or to accommodate different customer preferences. If you offer variations of the product you are publishing, you can add different versions by clicking on the plus Add Version button. This allows you to provide options or different variations of your product to cater to specific customer preferences. Once you click on the button, enter the name of the version, description, price, and quantity. You can add as many versions as needed to accommodate the different variations you offer. Moving on to the final section, which is the Settings section, you have the ability to enable or disable important settings according to your preferences. For example, if you want to limit the sales of your product, click on the toggle button next to the Limit Product Sales option to activate this feature. This can be useful if you have a limited quantity of your product available or if you want to create a sense of exclusivity. Once you have provided all the necessary information about your product, click on the Save and Continue button located at the top right corner. This will take you to the Content page. In the Content page, you can start entering the content you want to sell. You have the option to upload files or simply start typing the content directly. Once you have entered the content and are ready to publish, click on the Publish and Continue button located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking the Publish and Continue button, you will be redirected to another page where you can share your product through various platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, or by providing a direct URL. This allows you to promote your product and reach a wider audience. If you want to preview the digital product you have added to Gumroad before sharing it, you can click on the Preview button. This will take you to a preview page where you can see how your digital product will look to potential customers. It's a good idea to review the preview to ensure that everything appears as intended and that your product is presented in the best possible way. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Gumroad. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and take care.